A Librarian is a firstborn or Primaris Marine combat psyker of the Space Marines, who survived in Adeptus Astartes chapters, rigorous screening and training to bend the powers of the warp to their will for the benefit of their fellow battle brothers and in service to the Emperor of mankind. Beyond their psychic duties, the Librarians of the Astartes are also expected to record the great deeds of their chapter and maintain the chapter's storehouse of ancient lore, the functions for which they are named. A Librarian is often estranged from the other members of his chapter. This is usually because the psychic abilities he possesses are what his brother Space Marines are often expected to arbor and purge in most other beings. Space Marine Librarians use the abilities to serve the various undertakings of their chapter. However, their actual place in the order of battle is always with the Librarius in a Codex Astartes compliant chapter. As the name suggests, Librarius is a place within a Space Marine chapter's fortress monastery, where the chapter's vast knowledge base, gathered over millennia of hard-fought battles and participation in engagements the length and breadth of the galaxy, is stored. Space Marine Librarians are generally classed in one of 4 ranks, each with its own duties and responsibilities within the Librarius. The Librarius is led by the veteran Space Marine Psyker, who bears the rank of Chief Librarian. The Chief Librarian is usually, but not always, the most venerable of his Psyker brothers. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.